I'm coming from Dar es Salaam. This is my second visit to Dr. Anil Jain. I've had a bypass done 2012, 9 years ago, and I was fortunate to come back and get tested and found an aneurysm in my abdomen, and I had to get 3 stents put in by the doctor, and overall it was a risky experience, but he made me feel comfortable to do the surgery, and within 4 days I had my surgery, and it was very fast. So yeah, both times I was lucky that I got tested in India and found a problem and got it fixed. So yeah, I would recommend Anil Jain any time of the day. He's utmost with 40,000 plus experience in heart surgeries. I think he is qualified to do any work that you need to be done. Thanks.